Hi class, I just want to take a moment to introduce myself and welcome you to the course. My name is Mike Hager and I'm excited to spend the next several weeks working with you. Be sure to check your course messages regularly as this is how I will reach out to you if I need to contact you for any reason. In the welcome course announcement below, you will see a checklist of tasks to do in order to familiarize yourself with the course. Be sure to review the course syllabus, calendar, and discussions. The syllabus contains important class information. One thing I would like to point out is the college late policy. All assignments and discussion posts will receive a 10% grade deduction for each day that they are late. Late discussion posts will not be accepted after 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time on Saturday nights on the week it is due. Late assignments will not be accepted later than 1 week past the due date. One exception is the Module 6 assignment, which is due on the last day of class. No late work will be accepted, including the Module 6 assignment after the last day of the course, which is Friday, September 18th. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video and read through the welcome announcement. Always reach out to me if you have any questions. I'm here to help you and I want you guys to succeed in this class. I hope you enjoy the next 5.5 weeks learning together.